Hello, how are you guys? Okay, what we are going to go through today is how to fund your live wallet. You're going to log into your broker's account, whatever broker account. If you sign under our mentorship program, you would have signed up under our Google Way link, so you could get commissions and you could get deductions on some of the fees that they charge you on the back end. Um, so with that being said, once you log in and you do your second phase verification and you log in, you would click into deposit and it should take you to this page coming up. Excuse my internet a little bit. It might be a little slow. Let me close that one. So you're gonna go here. We are going to deposit. Excuse my little killers. We are going to deposit into our live demo account because we have a live demo account for training purposes and promotional purposes, and to show some of our robots of how they work and how they could work for you. Okay, so with that said, okay, after that, it's gonna take you to the page of where you're gonna deposit the payment to. Okay, so let's go into that. Like I said, the internet's going a little slow, so as that gets done, okay, it's connecting finally. Let the app. Okay, so we're there. So a QR scan code is gonna come out here. So wherever wallet you're using, because I use cryptocurrency to pay for my trading, whatever wallet you're using, you're gonna go in there and you're gonna transfer your Bitcoin to do your payment, or go to Uniswap and swap it and change it, or do what you gotta do to get that Bitcoin to deposit into your trading account. Okay, so with that being said, we go back into that. Okay, when it takes this long. Okay, so now we have that QR scan code. We're gonna send it out. You're gonna scan it. Boom. You reach your withdrawal limit of 5,000. I have not. That's nice.
Beat him.
Okay, so now, sorry about that. We had a little issue. You know, usually what happens with Cash App, when there is a fluctuation of Bitcoin right away, they kind of lock you out. Also with Coinbase and other brokers out there. So, with that being said, you do that. You put in your. Okay, so we have to go through a different avenue to do it. Okay, so that being said, okay. Okay, so working. Okay. 892. Okay, it's done. We close that one. So in 20 to 30 minutes, the account will be funded, and then we'll go from there. Give you a moment. And as you could tell, 10-15 minutes later, the Bitcoin's been deposited. So now you go to internal transfers. When you go to internal transfers, you're gonna go here. You're gonna go MetaMask. You're gonna go into your live account. You're gonna see how much money you want to select. How much? Hold on. Wallet to MetaMask. Okay, hold on. So we gotta do a wallet to MetaMask. Hold on. Okay, just like that. Boom. Like that. And then you'll go into your account and you will see the deposit account history. You will see the $68 deposit. Any questions? Comment below.